Look closely at your hands right now. Beneath your skin, a silent, invisible biological countdown is ticking away every single second. By the time you finish watching this video, thousands of your cells will have mutated, aged, and died. And most people are actively accelerating this countdown with the very next thing they're going to put in their mouths. But what if you could not only stop this countdown, but completely reverse it? What if a hidden group of humans discovered how to biologically cheat death? In a remote corner of the Earth, a tiny Japanese island called Okinawa holds a secret that modern medicine desperately tried to hide. It has the highest concentration of centenarians, people living past 100, on the entire planet. They don't suffer from Alzheimer's, their arteries don't clog, and they don't get the chronic diseases that kill millions in the West every year. When global cardiologists rushed to study them, expecting a complex genetic anomaly, they found something insulting to modern pharmacy. Their century-long survival didn't come from medicine. It came from one single, dirt-cheap, deep purple superfood that makes up over 60% of their daily diet: the Okinawan purple sweet potato. Here is the dark biological truth your body doesn't want you to know. Right now, as you sit there, your cells are under constant attack. Environmental toxins, stress, and toxic processed foods are creating millions of free radicals inside your bloodstream. Think of free radicals as microscopic, toxic missiles. They smash into your healthy cells, rip apart your DNA, and trigger cellular decay. This is exactly why you wake up feeling exhausted, plagued by brain fog, and aging faster than you should. But the moment you consume this purple superfood, something magical happens. Its deep purple flesh is packed with anthocyanins, a rare antioxidant compound that is 150% more powerful than blueberries. It acts like an elite internal security force, neutralizing those toxic missiles on impact and wrapping a literal biological shield around your DNA while you sleep. But it gets better. This superfood actively forces your blood vessels to produce nitric oxide, making your stiff arteries completely flexible again. It floods oxygen back to your brain, instantly wiping out morning fatigue. You don't need to move to Japan to save your own life. You can find authentic purple sweet potatoes at almost any local organic or Asian market. Simply steam them with the skin on, swap out your heavy processed carbs just 3 times a week, and give your cells the weapon they're literally begging for. Every meal you eat is either fighting disease or feeding it. The choice is yours. Protect your cells, ignore the fake health trends, and live to see your 100th birthday.